Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about Maono Wave T1 Mini wireless microphone, and we will see what it offers to us and what functionality we can get from it. So as you can see, it has different features like AI voice changer, different noise cancellation support, as well as it has built-in battery and charging case that you can use for a long period. And as the box content, you have windshield additionally with the charger, and it does not have a charging adapter, so you have to use a mobile adapter for this. And it comes with some user manual and different guidelines that you can follow to unleash the features that it offers. And here is the case, and inside of this case you will have a couple of microphone, and you can see the Maono logo on top and the type C charging port on the bottom. So when you open the lid, you will see two microphone sitting, and in the middle you have the receiver. So at first you have to insert the receiver, and then it will connect automatically. So this is the microphone unit, and it is very small, as you can see, and it has a button, and using the button you can uh, switch between different options and play around with it. And here you can see Maono branding as well. So as you can see, this is the transmitter, and it has Maono logo as well. And there is an indicator light that helps you understand how many transmitter it is connected to. And here is a dedicated button at the bottom as well. And here, when you insert it in the case, you will see two red light in both of the microphones, and it will confirm you that it is charging. And once it is charged, you will be able to use the app. So let's move on to the app and we will see.
Hello everyone. I am currently connected to the Maono Wave T1 Mini, and they have a dedicated app named Maono Link. You can also use this microphone without the app, but if you want to fine tune easily, I actually recommend you to install this Maono link. And if you click on open, you will be taken to the app. And normally when you open the app, you will see an interface like this. And currently I have the microphone connected in my collar, so I hope you understand how this sounds like when it is connected in any shirt collar. And if I go to start, you will see different information about the microphone. And as you can see on the top left corner, it will show you the battery percentage of the microphone. And they have double microphone support. So as you can see, the second one is offline because it is inside the charging case. And if I take it up, it will connect in a moment. And as you can see, the second microphone is also connected. And I'll put it back again so that the recording comes from one microphone and you understand how it sounds. So here you can see we have level indicator, and it is currently disabled because it is being shared with my screen recorder. So here you can see microphone gain, which you can change according to your noise environment. I mean environmental noise. And here you have the ability to set the noise reduction level. So you can see this is the slight mode, this is the moderate mode, this is the aggressive mode, and this is the mode. And I have a ceiling fan running on top of my room, so I hope you can understand how the noise cancellation works. And here we have sound coloration feature as well, which you can enhance with different type of sound coloration. And if I turn it off, this is how it sounds. And here you have AI voice changer. Like here I have the uncle voice. Here I have the goddess voice. Here I have the baby voice. And if I go back to the original, here is the original mode. And if I want to turn off the noise reduction, this is how it sounds without the noise reduction turned on. So if you turn it back on, here you have different equipment related information. And that's the sound profile of Maono Wave T1 Mini. And you can judge based on the audio quality, and the sound is being processed by the mobile phone. So depending on which device you use, the sound level might differ, which you have to consider. And I think that's it for this video audio sample, and I'm going to turn off the screen recording now.